Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Patreon how to delete direct messages. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Currently, Patreon does not allow users to delete direct messages from their inbox. However, you can archive conversations to remove them from your active inbox. So to do that, what you need to do is head over and then open up your web browser. Then on your search bar type in patreon.com. Now once you're inside the home page, log into your account with your credentials. Now once logged in, on the top left corner of the screen you'll be seeing the three horizontal bar. Tap on that, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is select community. Now inside community you will be directed to your chats and direct messages section. Now simply tap on direct messages. Now here what you need to do is find the conversation or the message you want to remove. Now once you do that and then tap on it, you'll find an option that says archived, or simply long tap on the selected conversation and you'll find the option that says archived. Simply tap on that and this will move the conversation out of your inbox. Remember that archiving does not delete the messages but remove it from your inbox. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.